You're watching Kivumbi 2022. Thank you for staying with us. Now, the Inspector General of Police Service, Hilary Mutyambai, is warning Kenyans to be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes that are out to fleece them. Responding to an exposé on KTN News that ran on air on Sunday, Mutyambai said the police have acted on some cases reported to them. He spoke a day after we aired an investigative piece on how well-connected swindlers are working with the police to con unsuspecting Kenyans.
The exposé captured some individuals using underhand tactics to rob unsuspecting Kenyans of their hard-earned fortunes. Our reporters spoke to some of the people who have fallen victims of these individuals plying their trade in broad daylight under the cover of some men in uniform. Most of them operate in Nairobi downtown area.
Mwapea 500 cash, then wakasema kama kuna pesa ingine kwa simu. Watumia walikuwa wanasema 5,000, nikawaambia sina. Nilikuwa na 1,000 kwa simu. Nikatuma hiyo kwa namba yenye wamenipea. Ngafika 1,500.
A day after KTN News highlighted the plight of Kenyans who have been robbed by the conmen, the Inspector General of Police, Hilary Mutyambai, has come out to comment about the story. In a tweet posted today, Police IG Hilary Mutyambai said, and I quote, "There are several cases that have been reported and action has been taken, including arrests and prosecutions. Kenyans should, however, be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes." Mutyambai, in his weekly Engage the IG session on Twitter, was responding to a question by Ezra Kirui, a Twitter user, on how they were intending to deal with the police and character gangs who collude to rob unsuspecting Kenyans. However, following the investigative piece, the KTN News reporters have received several threats from unknown persons.
Nilipata same person yule mwenye alikuwa tu record karibu na ofisi, na siku nyingine pia nikampata karibu na kwangu nyumbani area huko, na nikaona kwamba hii si accident, ni mtu kwa kazi yake na pengine tunafuatwa. Wakati promo ilipoanza kurun tena kwa TV, tukapata kwamba wale watu wenye naonaga the same faces wameanza kuapia pia tena kila mahali nikitembea na muona huyo hivyo. Sasa tukajua kwamba kuna watu wanatufuata na wanaangalia miendo zetu, na wakati hii saizi story imerun, tukawa sasa mambo haiko sawa, kwa sababu sources wetu wanatuambia kwamba kuna watu wamekasirika sana na story zetu, na saizi wameapa kudeal na sisi.
The leaders of that group are looking for us, and that is what worries us most, because from the story you could see that they are working together with police officers, and we fear that they might use that to their advantage.
The Inside Source is a KTN News investigative segment which goes undercover to highlight the plights of Kenyans.
Now, a 19-year-old girl who scored grade A- in the Kenya